Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by setting a neutral baseline. Reset the equalizer so all bands read 0 dB. Use a familiar reference track and play it at your normal listening level so you hear realistic balance. Once done, apply a gentle high-pass filter around 2040 Hz if your system adds rumble. This clears mud without touching tonal content. Make sure to monitor in the room or with the headphones you actually use, because corrections must match playback conditions. You now target the mid and high frequencies. Start by sweeping. Make a narrow boost of about +6 to +8 dB and move it slowly to locate harsh or boomy frequencies. When you find a problem, switch to a cut with similar Q and reduce by 3-6 dB. Cuts sound more natural than big boosts. For tonal shaping, use wider Q and small boosts of 1-3 dB. Once tuned, bypass occasionally to confirm improvements and avoid overprocessing. You finish by comparing a versus B with the EQ bypassed to ensure you improved the sound. Make small overall gain adjustments to avoid clipping and preserve headroom. Add a gentle high shelf around 812 kHz for presence and a mild low boost near 100-300 Hz for warmth only if needed. If the result sounds unnatural, roll back recent edits, reduce Q values, and reevaluate at normal listening volume. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.